Ready to turn your passion for travel into profit? At Travel Planners International, they believe your business should be as bold and adventurous as you are. Whether you're dreaming of launching your own travel agency or scaling to new heights, they're here to fuel your journey with the tools, support, and community you need to succeed. Because at TPI, it's your brand, your business, and TPI is your biggest fan. Why TPI? Because you deserve more. You own your brand, and TPI backs you every step of the way. From day one, you get the guidance, resources, and community to grow confidently. Whether you're solo or building your own team, their cutting-edge tools and education programs make scaling simple and stress-free. When it's time to pivot or even plan your exit strategy, TPI is here to guide you and toast to your success. TPI's all-in-one CRM and back-office system helps you manage bookings, commissions, and clients with ease. Everything you need, all in one place. Craft custom campaigns or use our ready-to-send templates to stay top of mind with your clients. No contact limits, no extra fees. Wow your clients with custom trip plans using Axis Itinerary Builder. Book air, car, and hotels in just a few clicks with our easy-to-use booking engine. Thanks to TPI's exclusive partnership with Signature Travel Network, you get access to more group space, exclusive offers, and top-tier marketing tools without sacrificing control of your business. The TPI community is your secret weapon. Jump into one of TPI's vibrant Facebook groups where thousands of advisors share tips, ideas, and advice. You're never in this alone. Since 1988, TPI has been more than a business, it's been a family. And when you join, you're part of it. TPI is constantly bringing in new tech, fresh ideas, and innovative ways to help you stay ahead in a fast-changing industry. Get started. You're not just joining TPI, you're becoming part of a movement, a community that empowers you to build the business and life you've always wanted. So what are you waiting for? Let's go, Rockstar. For more information on these top host travel agencies or to view our complete list, please visit findahosttravelagency.com. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and post a comment to share your thoughts. If you would like to know when we post more video tutorials, subscribe to our channel and turn the bell on for notifications. Thank you so much for watching our 2026 Top Host Agency production by findahosttravelagency.com.